Sneezing is a natural response of our body trying to expel foreign invaders like cold viruses. When we catch a cold, the mucous membranes in our nose become inflamed, causing itchiness and irritation. In response, our brain detects this irritation and tries to remove it through a powerful expulsion of air. That's what sneezing is. Sneezing is one of our body's defense mechanisms to effectively remove various irritants, including cold viruses. So if you find yourself sneezing frequently when you have a cold, it's a sign that your body is working hard. Did you get a little insight into the secrets of colds and sneezing? If you want to know more interesting health information like this, please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe.